Before it gets hardened, drop a few drops of scented oil and dry flowers. Wait until it cools down, then cut the string on the top. Finally, we finished the candles. Yay! I hope you all enjoy this candle making. Bye now. Please subscribe to this channel, likes, comments, and don't forget to share. Thank you all for watching. Bye now.
We just need to cut the string. We have to wait 72 hours before we can burn this. But it's beautiful.